Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing how to set up GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. With Copilot, you can easily write any type of function or code. We'll go through a detailed demonstration on how to do this. Now, let's get started. I'm opening my Visual Studio here and you can see the extension options. Inside the extensions, you need to search for GitHub Copilot. Here is the first link. Click on the installation button. After finishing the installation, click on github.com, which will take you to a new web page. You'll need to log in with your GitHub email address. Here's my GitHub profile. Once you're logged in, click on your profile and you'll see the feature preview option. Some of the features might be disabled, so you'll need to enable them. At first, you'll see the disabled option, but just enable it. After that, close the window and return to Visual Studio Code. Now, go to File, select Open Folder, and open any of your programs or projects. My project is loading here, so I'll create a new file and name it demo.py. Next, I'll type a comment. Write an addition of two numbers program. After entering that, notice how Copilot automatically suggests the next lines of code. It suggests a =10, and I just press Tab. Then I hit Enter and it suggests B =20. Again, I press Enter and it gives me C =A plus B. After pressing Enter again, it suggests print C, completing the logic for the addition program. With these simple tips and tricks, you can easily use Copilot for writing small or large programs. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.